Hi guys! Welcome to our Logi Campus channel again. I hope that you are following us. And you know that we are inviting people who are give professional education us and you know that this is our another series and I wouldn't want to keep Dr. Stop waiting.
Hello, Ayşenur.
Hello again. How are you doing?
I am doing fantastic. The summer is here.
Yeah, I missed you.
I missed you too. We missed the show last week.
Yes. And what will we speak today? Do you know?
Tell me. You tell me.
Okay.
Shoot,
Um,
shoot the words.
okay. We want to learn two terms. One of them, Micron, and another, cross-docking. We want to learn about that.
Perfect.
Please, can you tell us what is Micron?
Uh-huh. Milk run, also known as a milk round, is a logistic concept and term used in supply chain management. It refers to a delivery route and systems where a vehicle makes a series of stops to pick up or deliver goods from multiple locations in a specific order. The term milk run originated from actually practice of picking up milk from various farms along the designated routes. So that's where the milk run comes. And then it gets into the vocabulary for our logistic.
Interesting.
Yeah, in a milk run system, the vehicle follows a predetermined route. Often it's a loop or a circuit to efficiently collect or distribute the goods. This method helps consolidate transportation and reduce cost by maximizing the vehicle's capacity and minimizing empty or underutilized trips. The idea is to optimize the logistics process by combining multiple pickups or deliveries within a single trip, rather than using separate trips for each location. Milk run systems are commonly used in manufacturing, assembly lines, and distribution networks where there is a need to transport materials, components, or finished products between multiple locations. By implementing a milk run system, companies can streamline their transportation operations, reduce inventory, improve delivery schedules, and enhance overall supply chain efficiency. I know a manufacturing firm, as a matter of fact, that has multiple suppliers located in different regions, and they used to use individual shipments for each supplier. This resulted in a high transportation cost for them and frequent shipments and inefficiency or inefficient use of vehicles. To improve their supply chain efficiency, they decided to implement a milk run system. They established a milk run route that connected all their suppliers in a specific order based on the geographical proximity and delivery schedules. They designed one of their, or they designated one of their trucks for that specific milk run. The truck starts at the manufacturing facility and proceeds to the first supplier, which is located to the close facility or the closest to the facility. After collecting the required components from the first supplier, the truck moves to the second supplier located in the next closest region. The process continues, making stops at supplier C, supplier D, and so on, following the optimal sequence until all suppliers are visited. Finally, the truck returns to the manufacturing facility, delivering the collected components for the production. manufacturing firm established, as a matter of fact, it's done now, a synchronized schedule with its supplier to ensure that all components are ready for pickup when the milk run truck arrives. This coordination helps minimize waiting times and ensures smooth operations. By implementing a milk run system, manufacturing firm achieved several benefits you can imagine. First, as the cost reduction. That means the consolidation of shipments reduces the transportation cost as the truck is fully utilized for multiple pickups and deliveries in a single trip.
Yes, it's so important production.
Yes. And that way, they are going in one trip instead of going multiple trips. And that saves them. So the second, as improved efficiency, the milk run system optimizes the use of the resources, reduces empty or underutilized trips, and increases overall supply efficiency. Third, the reduced inventory. With regular milk run deliveries, this manufacturing can maintain lower inventory, manufacturing company can maintain lower inventory levels as they receive components just in time for production. So they use just in time. And the last, streamlined operations, the synchronized schedule and efficiency route planning results in improved delivery performance, reduced lead times, and enhanced operational control. To ensure the continuous improvement, this manufacturing firm regularly monitors the milk run system, and that's very important because performance, collecting data on delivery times, cost savings, and customer satisfactions, these are all the important data that they need to monitor. They use this data to identify areas for improvement, such as optimizing the route, adjusting the schedules, or exploring opportunities to add new suppliers to the milk run. So they did gain quite a bit from just applying a milk run even. Was it clear?
Yes, it's so clear.
Okay. Do you want to do a dialogue with me?
Yes, that would be great.
Let's do a dialogue so we can have our listeners to hear the milk run and how they can actually hear when they are implementing a milk run on their own organizations. So
Okay.
let's start it. Good afternoon, Ayşenur. Ready for another day of milk run deliveries?
Afternoon. Doctor, stop. Absolutely. I am all set to hit the road. How's the schedule looking today?
We have 3 stops on today's milk run route. First, we will head to supplier A in city B to pick up the electronic components. Then we will swing by supplier B in city C for the circuit boards. And our final stop is supplier C in city D for the connectors.
Sounds like a plan. Have you coordinated with the suppliers to ensure timely pickups?
Yes, I have been in touch with all the suppliers. They know all arrival windows and they assured me that the components will be ready for pickup when we get there.
Great. That will help us minimize waiting time. I have also checked the truck, and it's fully equipped to handle the load.
Perfect. Excellent. Remember, efficiency is key. Make sure to organize the truck to optimize space utilization and prevent any damage during the transportation, please.
Noted, Dr. Stop. I'll handle the loading carefully to ensure the components are secure and protected.
Perfect.
What's our estimated time of arrival at each stop?
We should arrive at supplier A by 9 a.m., supplier B by 11 a.m., and supplier C by 1 p.m. Please keep me updated if there are any unforeseen delays or issues.
Understood, Dr. Stop. I will keep you informed throughout the day. Once we complete the deliveries, I will head back to the ABC manufacturing facility and unload the components for production.
Perfect. And remember, safety is our priority. Drive definitely and adhere all the traffic regulations.
You are right. Safety is always on my mind, and I will ensure a smooth and secure journey throughout the Milk Run Knot.
That's what I hear. Well, your component and professionalism are greatly appreciated. If you need any assistance or encounter any challenges, don't hesitate to reach me.
Thank you, Dr. Stop. I appreciate your support every time. Let's make this Micron a success and contribute to seamless supply chain for ABC manufacturing.
Absolutely, Ayşenur. Good luck with the deliveries, and let's continue to optimize our milk run operations for greater efficiency.
Thank you, Dr. Stop. I am off to hit the road now. See you later.
Take care and have a productive day, Ayşenur.
Oh, thank you again.
You're welcome, Ayşenur. I hope this will help our listeners to hear how the word is being used in a conversation. What was your second word?
My second word is, I said before, cross-docking. What is cross-docking?
Cross-docking. Actually, cross-docking is the logistics practice in supply chain management that involves the direct transfer of goods from inbound transportation vehicles, such as trucks or containers, or outbound transportation vehicles with minimal or no storage in between. The process aims to streamline the flow of goods and minimize inventory holding time. In typical cross-docking operations, goods or products are received at a distribution center or a cross-docking facility. Upon arrival, they are quickly stored, consolidated, and prepared for immediate transfer to outbound transportation, such as trucks or trailers, designated for their final destination. The key features for cross-dockings include minimal or no storage, which means unlike traditional warehousing, cross-docking emphasizes the quick transfer of goods without significant storage time. The goods are uploaded from incoming vehicles and directly loaded onto outbound vehicles for distribution. And sorting and consolidation is the other part. Cross-docking facilities typically have designated areas where products are stored based on their destination. This allows for efficient consolidation of shipments, which reduce transportation cost and improves delivery speed. It's time-sensitive operation, which means cross-docking operations are time-sensitive, and the goal is to rapidly move goods through the facility to meet intermediate demand or to optimize transportation routes. Of course, coordination and communication is important. Successful cross-docking operations require effective coordination and communication between various stakeholders, including suppliers, carriers, and distribution centers, to ensure the timely and accurate flow of goods. Do you want to hear the benefits of cross-docking?
Of course, I want to hear.
And obviously, reduced inventory holding cost. By minimizing storage time, cross-docking reduces inventory holding cost, such as warehousing fees, insurance, and inventory obsolescence risk. Fast order fulfillment is another benefit. Cross-docking allows for faster order processing and delivery since goods are quickly transferred to outbound transportation without the need for additional handling and or storage. It lowers the transportation cost, consolidating shipments and optimized transportation routes through cross-docking can result in reduced transportation costs as full truckload or consolidated shipments can be minimized. Efficiency is the other one, improved supply chain efficiency. Cross-docking improves supply chain efficiency by reducing the lead times, increasing inventory turnover, establishes more agile response to customer demands. And cross-docking is commonly used in industries with fast-moving consumer goods, perishable products, time-sensitive deliveries, or high-volume distribution networks. It is particularly beneficial in situations where just-in-time delivery or efficient movements of goods is essential for meeting customer demands and minimizing costs. I also know a global distribution solution company, which is a large logistic provider, specializes in distribution of consumer electronics across multiple regions. They operate a network of distribution centers and have identified the need to optimize their supply chain operations to improve efficiency and reduce cost. After careful analysis, they decided to implement a cross-docking strategy. They used to receive shipments from various suppliers located around the world. Upon arrival at their distribution centers, the goods are stored temporarily before being stored and prepared for outbound delivery. However, this process undergoes high inventory holding cost and delay order fulfillments. They decided cross-docking implementation. They established a cross-docking facility strategically located near their main distribution center. The facility is equipped with ample loading docks, sorting areas, and advanced inventory management system. They invested in technology to track shipments, and facilitate real-time coordination between suppliers, carriers, and cross-docking facility. Upon arrival, incoming shipments are quickly uploaded from the inbound transportation vehicle and sorted based on their destination regions. Products are efficiently labeled and organized into designed sections, minimizing handling time and errors. Company focuses on consolidating shipments destined for similar regions or customers. By grouping products together, they maximize the utilization of outbound transportation and reduce the number of vehicles required for delivery. Staging areas are set up for the consolidated shipments, ensuring they are ready for immediate transport outbound vehicles. As orders are received from customers, the company leverages real-time inventory data and demand forecasting to identify the required products. The cross-docking facility then retrieves the necessary items from the staging areas and load them onto outbound trucks or trailers, ensure just-in-time delivery to the customers. To facilitate the smooth cross-docking operations, the company establishes streamlined communication channels with suppliers, carriers, and their distribution centers. Real-time updates on inventory is available. Order status and transportation schedules enable efficiency coordinations among all the stakeholders. Well, do you want to hear the benefits that the company gained from this?
Yes. I want.
Bir kere, first of all, reduced inventory holding cost. By minimizing storage time, the company
Yes,
significantly reduced inventory holding cost.
you told about also for Migron.
It's always, these are all for the actually, reduce the cost, including warehouse fees, insurance, and risk of obsolescence. These are all the benefits. Faster order fulfillment's another one. So this is the same. Cross-docking allows the company process orders more quickly since the products are readily available, and can be loaded onto outbound vehicles immediately after sorting and consolidation. The other benefit is the optimized transportation, because consolidating shipments and optimizing delivery routes reduces transportation costs as the company maximizes the utilization of vehicles and minimize empty space. Supply chain efficiency is improved in this by reducing lead times, increasing inventory turnover, and enables the company to respond more quickly to customer demand. So by implementing cross-docking strategy, the company transformed its supply chain operations, achieving significant cost savings, fast order fulfillments, and improved customer satisfaction. The streamlined process of receiving, sorting, consolidating, staging goods allowed the company to meet customer demands efficiently and maintain a competitive edge in the dynamic logistic industry. So they're a pretty large company, as a matter of fact. They did great by implementing this. Anyway, I hope this was helpful as well. So do you want to practice?
Of course, I want to practice, but when you were telling about cross-docking, something came my mind. Multinational carrying and cross-docking is same or similar?
Well, in general, cross-docking is international and in shipments. But milk run is more of the delivery within the regions. So it's more local.
Okay. So let's practice.
All right. Well, good afternoon, Ayşenur. I wanted to discuss the implementation of our cross-docking strategy. How are things processing?
Afternoon, Dr. Stop. The cross-docking implementation is underway, and we are making great progress. The facility is set up, and our team is trained and ready to go. We also established communication channels with our suppliers and carriers to ensure a smooth transition.
That's fantastic, Ayşenur. How are we organizing the incoming shipments? Are we efficiently sorting them based on their destination region?
Yes, we've created design and sorting areas for each region. As the shipments arrive, our team quickly unloads them from the inbound vehicles and sorts them based on their destination regions. This way, we can streamline the process and ensure efficient consolidation.
Excellent. Consolidation is key to optimize our outbound transportation. How are we ensuring that the right products are grouped together for each shipment?
We have implemented a labeling system to identify products accurately. Each time is labeled with its destination region, allowing us to easily group them together during the consolidation process. This ensures that the products for a particular region are staged and ready for the immediate transfer to outbound vehicles.
That's great to hear, Ayşenur. Just-in-time delivery is crucial to our customers. How are we managing inventory and order fulfillment to ensure timely deliveries?
We have invested in advanced inventory management system that provide real-time data on inventory levels and customer orders. As orders come in, we use system to identify the required products and retrieve them from the staging areas. By loading them directly onto outbound vehicles, we can achieve just-in-time delivery, as you said, and fulfill orders more efficiently.
Perfect. Effective communication and coordinations are vital to our success of our cross-docking operations. How are we managing communication with our suppliers, carriers, and distribution centers?
We have established strong communication channels with our suppliers and carriers and distribution centers. We provide them with update information on our delivery schedule and receive real-time updates on incoming shipments. This enable us to coordinate effectively, minimize delays, and ensure seamless flow of goods throughout the supply chain.
Ah, that's fantastic, Ayşenur. I really appreciate your efforts in leading this implementation. What benefits are we seeing so far from our cross-docking strategy?
We are already experiencing sign, sign, significant
Significant?
benefits. Yeah,
Significant. Uh-huh.
yes, significant. Our inventory holding costs have reduced significantly since we no longer need to store goods for extended periods. Order fulfillment has also improved with faster processing and timely deliveries. Additionally, we are optimizing transportation by consolidation shipments, which is reducing cost and improving overall supply chain efficiency.
I'm thrilled to hear that, Ayşenur. It is clear that our cross-docking strategy is making a positive impact. Keep up the great work, and let's continue to refine our operations for even greater efficiency.
Thank you, Dr. Staub. I am confident that our cross-docking strategy will continue to drive improvements in our supply chain. You know that supply chain is so important, and we are committed to ongoing optimization and delivering exceptional results.
That's the spirit. I appreciate your dedication and hard work of the entire team as well. Let's keep pushing forward and set new branches for our logistic operations.
Absolutely, Dr. Staub. We are on track to transform our logistic operation and achieve greater success. Thank you for your support and guidance throughout this process.
My pleasure. Together, we will create a cross-docking operations that sets apart in the industry. Let's make it happen.
Yes, thank you very much again.
Thank you, Ayşenur. I think we got this. I think this time, you and I are doing fantastic with our dialogues, and I'm hoping that our listeners are able to follow and know how these words that we are discussing can be fit in a conversation in a real time. So our goal is to explain some of those terminology, give some examples about these terminologies, and on top of it, we are doing some dialogues that they can actually see how those words and those terminologies can be used within the industry as well. I'm so happy to make this program with you, by the way.
Me too. Also, I want to say you always tell so clearly, so we always understand very clearly. Thank you very much again.
Oh, no problem.
We are so appreciate, really.
And I really appreciate giving me this chance. Let's do this next week.
Yeah, let's do this next week. See you soon again next week. Dr. Staub, see you soon.
See you, Ayşenur. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.